Wow, these are so good. Okay, so today I am trying out Little Moons' ice cream mochi balls. So these little bites went viral on TikTok. They're from the UK, but they're finally now available in Australia. They currently have 2 flavors available and a third one is coming later down the track. So we have totally tropical mango and passion fruit and delightfully decadent Belgian chocolate and hazelnut. And they're actually both vegan friendly. So it says to give it 5 minutes out of the freezer. Whoa, check these out. So these are the tropical ones and these are the chocolate ones. Oh, they smell so good. I just want to dig in. It's been 5 minutes. It truly tested my patience, but we'll see how we go. This is the tropical passion fruit mango one. Oh, wow, that is so good. Like, I'm a big fan of mochi, like, normally. I love, like, black sesame, red bean paste. This is, like, a whole nother level. Mmm. This is the chocolate one. Mmm. Mmm. There's a bit of crunch in here. I think they're little nuts. I think they're little bits of nuts. Wow. These are so good. I give these a solid 10 out of 10. You can get these 2 flavors now exclusively at Woolworths, and an exciting third one is coming soon as well. Let me know how you go.